My name is Colleen Roche. I am the chair of the New Jersey Statewide Independent Living Council, and we're here at NCIL 2025. I'm glad to be here. The SILC in New Jersey, we're a small SILC. We have about 8 members right now, and we are working really hard to deal with the funding cuts that are coming our way at a federal level. And our state is also working hard to make sure that funding cuts aren't impacting our community. And the SILC is really trying to work to amplify all of the work that the SILs are doing in all of our 21 counties. The SILC has been around for about 30 years. It is a governor-appointed body, and again, representing all of our 12 centers across the state. You know, we serve people across the lifespan, and we're really looking forward to grow the SILC as an entity to make sure that we're amplifying all the work of independent living. I think I was born with my disability, so I feel like advocacy wasn't something that I chose. It's just something that I started doing because I had to find a way to live and work and play in my community. I probably was introduced to advocacy formally around, I don't know, college, so late 90s. I'm aging myself quite a bit. I actually went down to a rally at our state capitol with the New Jersey Council on Developmental Disabilities, and that was when I really caught that advocacy bug, saw a bunch of disabled peers walking in the streets advocating for, you know, the rights of the ADA, which had just passed, 8 years before, in the heat of the sun, kind of like we did yesterday here. And, I've been advocating ever since around healthcare, public health, domestic violence, emergency preparedness, and such. If I could have one thing change in terms of disability justice, that's a good question. I think as we think about disability justice and we think about the ancestors that created the work of disability justice, I really think that having people be able to lead in all their communities everywhere with power and with love and with kindness and with collaboration to make sure that we are all thriving, that we are all succeeding, that we're all healthy and we're all staying alive. I want to see that in all communities, not just in disability justice communities. I want to see the 10 principles of disability justice proliferate out into all of our communities. When I think about where we're at right now as a country and as a community, I just want to encourage people that may not be in the work of disability proper to come alongside of us and advocate with us, because the fight that we're in right now is a big one, and we need everybody's voices, including people who are not immediately impacted by disability. We all have to stand up for the rights of people to stay alive.